Hey cuties! February favorites video.
Yeah, February. Woo woo.
Anyways, we love February. No, we didn't. Honestly, February is gonna be a little bit of a different favorites video before. I bet you've never seen a favorites video that's gonna be quite like this one. This one is going to be just a bunch of stuff that I liked in February, which, phew, let's try to find one thing I did like. 2022 has been one of the worst years, and a lot of crappy things happened in February. More like Fat Newberry. What? Fat Newberry. Fat Newberry? I have no idea what I was trying to say. It's a new berry coming out. But that doesn't mean that the whole month sucks. If a whole month isn't the greatest, it doesn't mean every month is gonna be like that. Because so far March, we're twerking for March. But I'm gonna show you the things that I did like in February. They might be a little bit like, what are you doing? But these are the genuine things. If you wanna see a genuine favorites video of the stuff I've been loving. This also happened in February. What is this? I have no idea. A random rash. Like, I don't know. So this is the first thing I don't like about February. Right here, like that. What is that? I'm gonna go through the makeup items first. I didn't really post a lot. I didn't really vlog a lot. February was a piece of horse shit on the ground. I didn't wear makeup a lot during the month. So I don't really have a lot of makeup products that I've been loving, but I have been loving a few. I bought an Ardell, I think it was Ardell, I think that's what it was called, lash glue. I had so much trouble trying to get them to stick, okay? So much trouble having them stick. I thought, hey, let's try something new. Like, let's just vamp up our makeup. Maybe this. I'm speaking in a different accent now. Lo siento, everybody. I was hanging out with my friends, and okay, yeah, I was partying. But when I do party with lashes on, they stay on. This time, I was literally looking at someone, they were like, what's wrong? Like, what's wrong with your face? Then my lashes were like one of them was like hanging off, and I didn't even know. Like what? Hanging off 4 hours after I put them on. So, everyone loves Duo, but I'm just going to tell everyone, maybe new people getting into makeup, maybe you haven't found a lash glue that you like, but these, why am I keep saying these? These one! Yes, these one, Duo Lash Glue. Honestly, nothing can beat it. And there's also a little bit of a funky smell on the Ardell one, so I just recommend Duo Lash Glue. So that is one of my favorites that kept literally held my life together, my lashes together. It held me together. Second favorite is this Jeffree Star, what does he call it? Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss. I got this in one of those like mystery boxes, and I always said that this was a little bit too dark for my skin tone, so I didn't know if it would wouldn't suit me or if it would look bad, just because I am very pale. However, I have been very lightly dusting this over my whole body, and it lasts, it doesn't show up on camera. I wish I could show you, but my whole chest is glitter. My arms are just glitter, and it lasts, and it stays. And I was wearing like a winter coat. I went grocery shopping. It stays for so long. I get glitter on everyone and everything. I can use it as like kind of like a bronzer sparkle to accentuate my boobs. I'll show you guys how I did it. So I just sprayed my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus if I want to actually like get the color to show up. But honestly, even this with a big fluffy brush and then just lightly dusting it everywhere just gives you like that glow. It's like a sparkle effect. Like you're like Edward Cullen when you put this on. So I also put it on a little bit on my cheeks as well, and it's amazing. Like, I don't know why, because I never reached for this before. I love this. It's so sparkly and glittery. And if you're going to a club or anything like that, or anything dark, a place where you're gonna go that's dark, this literally glows. You literally glow. So this one is in Caramel Kiss. I've had it for so long. It says it expires in 32 months? 32, is that what it says? 22? Anyways, I went past that and I still use it and it's still good. So the last makeup item I've been loving is micellar water. Oh my gosh, I didn't know anything about micellar water, but it is apparently what makes makeup remover wipes wet. Micellar water. I was like, what? I didn't know that. So I've had this, but I didn't know, like, what are you doing with it? Do you wash your face with it? Like what? It takes off makeup. This is the one, I don't know, I haven't tried any other ones, but this is the one that I have. It's by Garnier, and I love that it's pink, matches my nails. And honestly, I love this stuff. I showed how on my vlog channel, link is down below if you guys want to follow my vlog channel. I showed how after I do my makeup, how I take makeup off of my face tattoo, and it's with micellar water. And then, because my bestie told me what micellar water was and how to use it, and I'm like obsessed with it ever since he told me about it. So I opened up my makeup remover wipes one day to use them, and one of them was very dry because I haven't, like the top one was dry because I haven't used them, because like I told you, I hadn't been wearing makeup a lot. So when I finally was wearing makeup, the first one was dry. I didn't close the lid all the way. So I took a little bit of this micellar water and put it on there, and bam, and bam, we're back. Everyone's like, girl, we know what micellar water is. Well, I didn't, and I am excited about it. So micellar water, a good thing. You know, I also like during this month, this boot. This isn't a joke, this is a real video I'm doing. This boot, I broke my ankle a few years ago, and recently has been giving me troubles, and I slipped and hurt it. So whenever I'm feeling a little bit of pain, this baby right here in February has been my lifesaver. Literally wouldn't be able to walk around if it wasn't for that boot. So we love that boot. Love you, boot. Let's see what else we have here. Micellar water, ankle boot. Oh, I put on here, taking this hair out that I wore for, this is so funny, for 2 days almost. I kept it in for that long. I tried to hold it in because I love having cute hair. But taking out that hair was one of the greatest things. My head felt so nice just to itch. So taking out that hair was one of the highlights of February for me. I literally have a stack here. Lunch meats. And I'm not joking. I have, for some reason, this odd obsession and craving. Like I literally crave this stuff. This is what I have in my fridge right now. And it's literally just for me, and it's gonna be gone. We have these Buddig. Now I think that this is a Mandela effect. Tell me if I'm wrong. If you guys have seen these little like cheap, these are like 90 cents, which we question why. But we just eat it. This one's honey ham. I usually don't really like ham, but this is the only one they had. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with luncheon meat, but I always thought it was budding. Like with a budding, like I-N-G. No, it's Buddig. Buddig? Buddig? Is this a Mandela effect? I swear I have it in my head, it's budding. Anyway, a snack before bed, I will literally grab one of these and bring it upstairs and eat it. This is my favorite kind, this maple leaf shaved hickory smoked turkey breast, the best. I just bought a bigger pack of that same one today. I just finished off, I'll show you this clip, it's really funny. Another one bites the dust. Oh, and look, there's another one on top. Literally, I just finished off one of these packs as soon as I got home because I was hungry and that was my snack. I am obsessed with lunch meat right now. Don't know why. Don't know what it is, but like I crave it. Anyway, so in February, that is pretty much what I ate, and Arby's. My face tat has been probably my favorite thing of February. I love my face tat. I try to do hairstyles to let everyone see it. I legit like move my head in certain ways on Snapchat to get it in there. Hi. I wrote down a bunch here. My hockey team doing well has been a good favorite of mine because we're almost at playoffs, so go Pittsburgh Penguins. Woo! Also, the Leafs are low-key killing it, and we love them too, so we are just happy about that kind of thing. You know, there are positive things in the world. Okay, the last physical item that I have been loving is this steam cleaner. It's by Bissell, and I forget what the name is, but I did film it when I was coming in to show you guys. It is this Bissell Spot Clean, it says there. Sorry, it's a little dark in the garage here. Yeah, it looks like this. It has a little brush there. It's like a brush hose, so it really like scrapes, and it's really easy to clean, and doesn't stink or anything like that, and it's amazing. I love it. This is a lifesaver. Okay, so I have this blanket over top of my couch because there was stains on it. So it was like, it covered up the stains because I was like, I've tried everything to get these stains out. They won't come out. One day, here's a quick little story time. Benny, if you don't know who that is, that's him right there. Benny. Yeah, there's Benny. That's him. You know what he did? As soon as I woke up in the morning, I bring them downstairs and I let them outside, like Cooper and him. Before I did that, I was literally putting my cup of water down. Benny went and sat on that place because he's very big. So when he sat down like on the pillow, there's a big pillow there. He sat down on there and then decided to scoot. I think it's what it's called. You know when dogs go like put their legs here and like scratch their ass all over the carpet usually? Well, this was on the pillow and then the blanket moved out of the way, and then he rubbed his ass all over my couch. And I went, stop, 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 like I'm letting you out right now, like I'm letting you out, like right now. I go over there, literally, go to this if you don't want to hear anything gross. Waiting for everyone to leave. There was a huge, there was like actual, like, when I say shit stain, I don't mean like a little bit, I mean like globs. Already on a stained couch. I was like, cool, cool, cool. I just tried to scrub it, it would not come out. Like, it was like actual stain. Love that for me. It's all over the pillow, I throw the pillow in the wash. I was like, okay, well, I throw the pillow in the wash. Even with wash, and I used Oxy something, whatever, I used that, it still didn't come out. The stain still didn't come out in the wash. So, Austin, from his job, brought home this steam cleaner, and steam cleaned the pillow that had already been washed, and the cushion, and it came out immediately. And then all the old stains that I would cover up with that blanket came out immediately. If you have fabric that has like stains that have been there for a while, this is like a magic thing. There's like, it looks like a brand new couch underneath there. I keep the blanket there just because Benny likes it. Like, Benny likes that blanket. He doesn't like to go on the couch if it's off of there as soon as I put that. So anyways, I keep that there for him. But I was covering up stains. Now we're doing it for Benny's comfort. But it literally came out. I was watching this thing and I was like, what? Holy shit, no pun intended, but like, this thing's awesome. I highly recommend that. I don't know how much it is or whatever, or where you can buy it, but if you can find it, really highly recommend it. And it just worked so well. Like, it worked so well. I want to do the rest of the couch, and because I do wash my couch cushions, they do just unzip, so that's good, and I keep them nice and fresh, but that one doesn't unzip. That's like one of the only ones that's like on there, like you can't do anything about it. So it just, anyways, that is a really, really, really good thing in February. Okay, now on to my favorite movie and TV show of February. So my favorite movie is called The Lodge. That is a psychological thriller. If you guys like psychological thrillers, it was like a horror thriller. So it was a little scary, so if you do get scared, don't watch it, don't recommend. I know so many people that are on the hunt for good psychological thrillers. That was one of them. I was shocked. Because I try to guess, as we all do when we're watching a movie. It's like, ooh, I think this happened or this. I was guessing wrong the entire movie, and it was a very, very good watch. It's a little gruesome graphic, a little realistic graphic, if you know what I mean. So it's not like, you know, like boom, pop out scary type. It's more like thinking like psychologically and gruesome, and like leaves you like chilled because like it's like, could this happen to me type thing. So I really recommend The Lodge. The reason why I found out about it was through TikTok. So somebody was like, you have to watch it on TikTok. I was like, I wrote it down, watched it, and I was obsessed. Told everyone I knew, you need to watch it. Okay, the last thing is my favorite song of February, and literally my anthem of February, no lie, is Motley Crue by Post Malone. Me and my friends are obsessed. We literally had it on loop, and I'm not kidding when I say that. I'm not exaggerating. So that's about it. We love Posty. We love me some Posty. Love that we're ending on that note, and that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I actually did another favorites video. I was like, I want to do one of these every month. Here we are. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.